Stand guard, bicep control first, and then posturing. Okay, as we posture elbows in, controlling the hip, knee to the arse. As we start to break the guard up and start chucking the legs up, it's going to swim underneath. Okay, as we swim underneath like this, I'm keeping this control in the hips. Walk myself back a little bit. I'm going to pull him in, lean my weight, grip to that shoulder, and keep my pressure on him. Okay, so I stack him, and then I'm going to shrug, pass. Keeping control on that hip, over the top with your arm, and now bring yourself in like this. Now when the arm's under, now we go into that scaffold, well, broken scaffold like this, turn into your scaffold, and then back, and just go to side control again for a minute. Okay, so we go bicep, posture and elbows in, pin that hip, and just break back and try and bring yourself in like this. So if you start to play open guard now, just swing your arms through, underneath, and lock it in. Pin your weight forward, let your legs be back. And now sit your ass to your heels. As you sit back, pull him in and up. So your hips get under his hips, and then put your weight back down. And keep your weight on him. Gripping at that shoulder, keep your weight down, so that he wants you to pass, and then just turn your shoulder. So you still keep that pressure, pin him all the way down, and then block at his hip, and bring this over the top. Okay, now as the arm is under your hip, as you readjust, switch, turn and grip, and then go into that broken scaffold, keeping your hip on his rib, and then switch back to side, and then back in. Okay, so we go bicep control, posture, underneath, and then drive your weight forward, and then pull him in, so your hips get under his hips. As you sit and pull, hips under, drive your weight, and then grip on his shoulder. Keep that weight over him. Turn your hip, land, so you'll end up in this position, so he's not going to be able to hip escape. The elbows underneath, so just switch, like this, get that high hip on that broken scarf. Then as you pull, step the leg, resecure your position, either way. Okay, let's go.
1, 2.
I'm laughing on that video because Lee was getting himself in first.
Oh.